Oh.
I don't know.
Maybe crisscross like this then.
Maybe.
What about brain freeze? Holy. Slime. That's the only reason why the rabbit won.
You're right. Oh man, it's all gas.
That's all I got. Bubbly.
I can't burp like that. I get these little blurps.
Blurps?
Last week.
These are the leftovers from last week. See, now he's got it.
Oh, we're already downtown.
I'm gonna sleep good tonight. My girl's gonna be like, hey, give me a kiss. I'm old fogey now.
Catch up. Less than 7 minutes.
Oh. Yeah. Yep. Come over, I probably shouldn't have. Ooh. You know.
Yeah, you got cheese stains. I got cheese stains on my shirt.
There's. What happens is that. You gotta learn to open up your bladder so when you drink, it just comes out the other end at the same time, so it never feels full.
Oh wow!
Feel better?
Yeah.
A little tiny burp.
Holy cow! What did I do?
Oh, it's off? No, you just go. I think I'm at my max. Finger. Herb going some leads. Holy. Like you said, you got that special part there that's stuck there. It's like a little burp, or a big burp. Too bad we don't have a funnel. You can't blow your stomach up. It won't rip apart. You'll fill it up so much, you'll end up puking. So you can't ever, I'm saying, I
don't know. Where you gotta hold arms and
he's gonna have to wrestle.
Show her what you want.
Yeah. Whew, that was the.
New one. That one ain't gonna work. I'm gonna get it right away.
To me.
Thing down.
Oh.
Process.
So close. Oh, I gotta take some drinks here. This. Losing here. Holy. That was.
That was gross.
Now.
I think I got I want one more.
You got what? Excuse me.
Try the soap, I'm telling you.
Okay, we're not gonna eat that whole bag.
Floor.
But the other Reaper stuff that we've eaten.
Why? Oh man, my stomach is a mess. Like PJ said already. Oh man.
PJ, your eyes are slow.
I'm just tasting pap.
Ooh,
Well, how's that?
better.
Too much sticky out.
Don't break your teeth. I still can't swallow that damn leaf.
I am crying so bad. My nose is running.
My lips are quivering. 10. Oh. Oh.
We did the Death Nut Challenge. And I have to post a. Yeah, right.
Oh. Oh man. Oh. My nose is-
I bet that scorpion's gonna be nice.
Subscribe. Tell your friends.
Grass.
I got hairs.
I feel good, but he likes hotter stuff than I do. I like just enough kick, but I used to be able to drink like Tabasco sauce and hot sauce all the time, but
Oh man.
oh. 3 minutes. Holy crap. Oh, they're hot. It's just on my tongue now.
Oh, it's burping.
Oh.
So I keep checking the status of it. It's still somewhere in
Burned down or stolen from somebody who. Ooh. Smell that.
We didn't mention what happened the rest of the burgers to a dog.
Oh wow. Ooh.
Oh.
Excuse me. Holy. You gotta think we're eating this. Excuse me. Whew. My stomach fill up faster?
Seeing light at the end of the tunnel, boys.
I gotta turn the chair just right. Oh, my stomach feels all full. Oh.
What's the time at?
Oh.
Man, I thought it was gonna be a lot quicker than that.
Come on, you can do it. 'Cause I can't. We got. Excuse me. Yeah. Oh. Soda. We'll find out right here. Whew. Crap. But your mouth's still dry, but your stomach's full. Whoa.
No,
Toast?
but I don't know if it's all the bone.
Whoa.
Well, last week's video, guys.
Morning.
This will be one of them.
You think so?
I know.
Well, more power to you. What kind of burps are those?
Sissy ones.
Excuse me.
Damn!
It was an air bubble. I had to lean forward to it. Oh, getting milk on my burps almost. I didn't use the bathroom this morning, but so all this weight in our stomach expanded. Why not? Why not?
How did you burp and drink at the same time?
Burp through your nose.
What?
You never burped through your nose before?
What?
Burp through your nose.
It comes up from your stomach and is going down in your stomach.
But you can still push air out your nose, like you breathe in through your nose into your lungs. It's the same as your mouth.
If I tried that, I'd drown because fucking milk will come through my nose.
No, you won't.
It'd be like a...
See, right through your nose.
Damn. I can't burp.
I think I'm the only, I don't know, maybe I'm not the only one that can burp through my nose. Oh, hey. Hey, I'm going to try to finish it. Don't just get sick so you don't have to finish it.
Do it.
Smell my breath. That milk smells bad.
Man.
Excuse me. I had to turn my can like this because oh man, I am sweating just off that one.
Alright, I'll do
Excuse
four.
me.
About the same.
Excuse me.
Alright, so I applied on yours. It is 4:30 now, so
Well, Dijon is honey mustard.
I'm gonna be sweating and farting and pissing McDonald's.
Holy stomach. I needed that. Oh, I opened up some space.
Oh,
Must have dripped a drop.
oh man.
Holy, slowing down. Holy.
Dude, I need to be able to get the air out like he does.
It relieves a lot of pressure, I tell you. You get that little bubble in there. You're just gonna push some air in so you can burp more air out. Like that, excuse me.
Wow. I'm gonna try here. That's it. No baby one.
But you gotta be careful pushing air in, because you'll push some air in, you won't get it out. You push more air, you get it out. Then you're like, oh, it feels so full. It's just that bubble won't come out, and then you lean forward just right. It's like, and you see yourself leaning forward because it's like the airbag draining like a balloon.
Demonstrate it. Darling smiling back there. I know it's true.
I'm drinking already a bottle of water.
So badly just want. Hey, that was good.
Little, but good. You gotta get those long, deep ones.
Can't. Do it. See it. Do that one that you're talking about.
Oh man, I can't, dude.
Justin can belch.
That can make me feel like I'm full. If that bubble don't get, I can't eat no more. If that bubble sticks there, it feels I'm so full, even though it's just an air pocket. You're like, oh,
Oh, there you go.
see, you just gotta work it around.
I didn't do that on purpose. That had...
Yeah, it was just all air. I couldn't do a big burp.
Oh.
I got like one nugget left of this other 20 piece. Uh-oh. That's it. It's still a bubble there.
It's like a dinosaur. 11 here.
So like the Predator off the Predator movie. It's little one. He's back. Oh, I think it's just because I have such a big air bubble in there. You gotta lean forward. There it goes. Oh, that made some more room. Just a little
The
bit.
entire video is just Justin belching.
Oh.
Do with a drool. Yeah.
It's like Chewbacca out the nose. Excuse me. Holy.
You're not trying.
Dude, I'm tried.
Will you just wait? Take one of his. There's this point where I'm just like chewing and... Oh, the worst part about this though?
Oh.
Alright.
Oh.
This is what we're doing, folks. Hey Google, set 5-minute timer. You can get a Google set.
Oh, I got the hiccup bad. Oh.
Hey Google, set 5-minute timer.
Okay, Google.
5 minutes. Starting.
Only thing we
Yeah.
can use. You said this is all we got. The last 5 minutes. Holy.
Dude, you're snoring.
Holy.
Oh.
Slap it on your tongue. Excuse me. Yeah. You just hold it there. And the very tip. But.
Just a tip.
Well, it's warm.
I like to do something.
Yeah, that's what happens.
I like to do something a little different. Oh man, that stinks like garlic.
How you doing? Ooh.
I think I got it down. Oh.
Oh, that's so gross at the end.
How are we doing this? We mix some back in this bottle.
Oh.
I'm gonna open one of these up. Phew. I figured the challenge was the whole thing.
I am
How
not
much is in here though?
a DD. Oh, it's clear. There.
Is it soup? Yes or no? Explain your answer. Likes apparently no. No. End it or what? Are you done? Are you done? Or are we gonna try to keep? You don't need to worry about that. It's just a thick layer of air.
Excuse me. Excuse me. I'm already breaking a sweat. Like. That's a gross burp. Oh.
First. Okay.
Oh, man, that's nasty.
Phew, it smelled like.
Smell that. What's it smell
Oh
like?
shit! I just spilled that. Good for me.
Smell that. Kiss my butt.
I'll do the next one with you.
Next bottle. Ugh. Smells like my afternoon BM.
It's a whiskey. There, it says it right there. Blended Canadian whiskey.
Holy muffin. All right.
I'll hit you. Again. We're back. We're back. Well, you won that one.
Hit it twice. Just the number switched around.
Oh, God.
Am I sorry? Like.
8.96 seconds.
What?
I didn't even chew. I just swallowed them all whole.
Ooh.
Oh
God.
my God.
That smelled just like the clams I drank. Gotta heat this up a little bit. Sauce. Let us know if you guys had the hot stuff. Like fat, juiced up. I'm good.
Here, show the camera exactly the box you got. I challenge anyone that just be able to eat a spoonful of that. I don't know how I'm gonna make you laugh. Ready?
Yep, I'm ready now.
Oh, it's tender.
Oh, that was great. I love doing that. Holy crap. Yeah, it just no air back in that thing. You can't. I can't do it. These ones. I think I'm gonna lose.
That was dramatic.
That's gonna be. Holy, this make you drunk. I don't drink beer. Nasty. Neck muscles like you normally do. Man, these holes are so tiny. Mofo. Well, I don't know how it did it.
Oh man.
Well, I might have failed.
All kinds of foam. just gotta work it up, get excited, it gets bigger.
I can't sing that. I can't read and sing. I'm so used.
Saw your reactions?
That's about it. It's my reaction. Excuse me. Ooh. That probably smells like your butt.
Hey. That's empty.
Top lip butt. Ooh.
It's
I told you right before I chugged mine, you took it back too fast.
Yeah.
It fucking went. I tried to hold my back to myself laughing as I fucking butt. Oh, it's so many little baby burps. I got all mine out with one burp. I'm curious on anybody's, what they get. But.
oh man. 21. Keep your burger. Didn't you just say you touched another man's food? All 30 of them.
I'm gonna see how many I can eat. I'm not gonna try all 30 burgers. Yeah, paper. Holy crap. You gotta remember to breathe. Yeah. 2 minutes and 12 seconds.
These are all.
First minute. 2-3 bags of barely breathing.
We just did this after one can slam too.
Holy.
You might want to get I feel like I still need to throw up.
How's that? That help out?
4 minutes or less? 4 minutes?
I got, you guys zoom in and then it clears up better. Excuse me. Oh, damn, I'm getting that spice taste.
Oh yeah. Oh, I burped on the second one. I burped.
Oh.
And I was just like, oh.
Uh-oh. Oh, God. I got burp.
I'm gonna need it. Yeah.
Oh, my God.
30 seconds. Go.
I can't get it. How much time you got? He's doing it for the Saunders tonight, guys. Man, and you slap it on your skin. My farts will hit you in the face like that. What? Because it's not on yet. Jakey. I got boogers hanging out of it. Oh my Lord.
Oh.
Great, I gotta get away.
Got something you gotta do.
To the pavement, maybe a relief from the hotness.
Oh, the burps are just as hot.
Yeah. Oh, that's so gross. Quarts. That's 4.5 gallons. I'll send it over here. Yeah, see if you guys can see that. He just picked any old setting and started with it.
Yeah.
It's maximum setting. I'll see if I can bring it over to show you if the cord's long enough. No, it ain't long enough.
Yeah.
But it's all the way up.
Ow, that hurt bad.
This one's coming off. That one ain't attached. See how quick that moved? It's right beside you. Right foot. It's right next to you. We were sitting there like, go
Level.
I should pull his sleeve over.
Mama, no!
Directions on which ones does what. You give up. I mean, drink all your beers.
Oh, yeah, I think I might want to.
I can't burp it because my
One down.
body don't want to burp it. Get out!
That's what made me sick.
Where's the hole? Mine
The
foamy.
tape is not even sticking to you.
I got a bubble right.
The body sweats it
I
out.
was outside.
A little foam on the bottom of that one, but I'll give it to him. What he did there.
Oh, you gotta take this one on. Get up, Trey.
You're gonna have to go back at that one.
It's so foamy.
Shaky.
Now I'm sweating. Woo!
You need the bucket? Ooh, coming up.
I got a burp. Shut it off.
7 minutes and 55 seconds.
Oh.
Tell us what your time is. You want me to rip that off?
Oh, I see a little bit. Go to the same hole. I fucked that straw up. Oh, man.
Some extra straws.
It's actually you gotta use these straws only. You gotta learn to burp through your nose.
I'm catching up to you.
It looks like I'm pruning.
Man, that's hard.
Long, slow chugs. Oh, my mouth is hurting.
Well, if you
That was like all liquid burp.
I'm slowed down bad.
Holy crap. Holy crap.
You did you drink it all? You did.
Yes.
Oh,
Wow. Holy crap.
this is a shorter one, ain't it? What is it?
I don't know. Sometimes your body don't want you to get it all out. Well, since I want to so bad.
This, bruh.
I couldn't. I was trying. Oh my god. That's a low grade burp, just mostly air.
Capfuls. Hang on, wait. I'm gonna try to keep burping.
Oh, that was all foamy.
That was gross.
Foam was like almost foaming at the mouth like a rabid dog.
Yeah, it was bad. I'm not at the dentist's office.
That was like all foam burp. That was nasty.
Oh man. Oh.
Matt takes pantyhose and puts potpourri in it. If they only burned 1 type of scent, it'd smell all right.
Listen, when I was in New Hampshire, we lived in an apartment complex.
So scared.
It was like you walk out and it's just curry.
These chairs get rotated all the time.
The wood's rotting on the seat a little bit from all the wet spots.
Canadian dry ginger ale.
Feel like a fucking. There it is.
Oh, it helped out a little bit getting up. Doing this a little bit.
Oh shit.
Oh, I hope you don't shit yourself while we're doing this.
Probably will.
Whoever is over there, right
So,
over.
I remember being little. Is that you?
No, I think that's you or your dog. How do I do this? That morning bathroom break be bad.
Huh. Sounds like it's bad now. My God, dude, you're gonna make me fucking throw up just by the stink.
You got that many, dude. I got 6. I could really. I leaned back and you started to come out the other
That was me,
end.
that was you.
No. Should be recording that stuff.
I'm now blocking the light.
This is a jock strap. See, it's meant for camel toes.
No PJ, Chad and you. From what end?
Southern ring.
Wasn't the chair squeaking out?
Oh, that makes some room.
Oh, the wind blew it right in my face. Woo! Oh, that was wrong.
Yeah.
And the wind's gonna blow it right in my mouth. My mouth was open on that one. Now my mouth is all chalky.
Woo. Man, that's something right.
This one's designed.
Oh my God, dude.
What? What'd you do?
You shit yourself. You know you're gonna make me throw up.
I didn't fart from past gas.
Oh my
What are you talking
God.
about? I'm taking that right now.
Gertrude.
Holy. I'm gonna like make it like a mask, you know, with a hose. Oh my God.
Oh, did you hear her?
Yeah, that's you. Those
No, that
come
was
out-
her. That was her Bert.
That come out of you.
No,
down
she's
there.
doing it. Oh, she yeah.
Dude, I can feel it on my chair like it's attached to your ass.
That was her.
Oh, I think you're gonna have to go poop here soon.
She's doing.
Yeah.
Crinkling that bad, I should probably see a doctor. Oh my God, dude.
What'd you do? Poop
I don't know if you guys can tell, but someone's talking shit behind Justin. Dude, you need to check your underwear if you even have any on. That was juicy.
I got Speedos on.
That was nasty.
That came from your dog. Excuse me. Holy, I got the hot farts. It burns just as much as it did going in. Plus at home.
Oh my God.
Take it.
Nope.
Hear that?
Dude, that was wet. That was so wet. You totally ruined our cushion on the chair. Oh, dude, you're shit. He's ass clapping back there.
Oh.
That was gross.
What'd you do? Fart?
No, you did. I'm hurrying to get away. Like, share,
Subscribe. Let us know what you think. Have a good one.